In this video, I'll show you how to add a password to your Dropbox file for extra security. First, log into your Dropbox account at dropbox.com. Once you're on the home page, find the file you want to protect. You can use the search bar or browse through your folders. Next, click the three dots menu beside the file and select Manage Permissions. From there, go to the Links section. Then click Settings. Here you'll see the option Require Password. Toggle it on. Then create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Dropbox tips. Once you've set your password, click Save. That's it. Your file is now protected and only people with the password can access it. Thanks for watching and happy securing your files.